Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Kinnathappam. This is a steamed rice cake and easy to make. This is one of my favorite snacks and hence thought of sharing. Look at the texture of the Kinnathappam, it's so soft and jiggly. Without further delay, let's get started. I have taken 1 cup of raw rice. Raw rice is soaked in water for 3 hours. I have strained the raw rice and it's ready to be grinded. Next important ingredient is 3 cups of thick coconut milk. I have extracted coconut milk from 1 full coconut. Take the rice in a mixer grinder and grind it into a smooth paste using the coconut milk. I have used half cup of thick coconut milk to grind the rice. Look at it friends, the rice has grinded perfectly. You can use basmati rice or jeera samba rice instead of raw rice. Now add in 1 egg and grind the batter. Actually, egg gives softness to the Kinnathappam. Add in 2 to 3 pinch of salt. Totally I have taken half a cup of thick coconut milk to grind it. You have to add coconut milk little by little while grinding. Add in 1.5 cups of sugar. I like Kinnathappam to be sweeter. If you want to reduce the sweetness of Kinnathappam means you can add 1¼ cup of sugar. In goes 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Grind everything into a fine batter. Grind it smoothly to get soft texture Kinnathappam. Kinnathappam batter is almost ready now. This should be the consistency of the batter. Next important thing to make Kinnathappam is this strainer. This strainer is super fine and has 2 layers. Do not use regular strainer to make Kinnathappam. If you do not have this strainer means use muslin cloth. But never use the metal strainer. Strain the batter little by little like the way I am showing. Kinnathappam made with basmati rice also tastes really good. You could see the rice while straining in the strainer. Kinnathappam batter shouldn't have any residue of rice, that's why we are using this strainer. If you are using regular strainer means Kinnathappam will be a bit hard. I have got this much of rice residue out of this batter. Kinnathappam batter should be of loose consistency. Hence add in 2 cups of thick coconut milk. Mix the batter so that everything combines well. Strain the batter again for 2 times. You could still find residue of rice. Now I am straining the batter for the last time. It's time to steam the Kinnathappam. Totally we need 5 cups of Kinnathappam batter. 1 cup is 250 ml. Totally I have got 4¼ cups of batter. Remaining 3/4 cup I have added thick coconut milk. Now total Kinnathappam batter is 5 cup. Measurement of ingredients is really important to make this Kinnathappam. Here I have placed in an 8-inch pan in a steamer. Grease it nicely with oil or ghee. Mix the batter nicely and add into the pan. Switch on the gas stove and continue mixing with the spoon. Well, this batter is of very loose consistency. We are doing this so that it cooks evenly. You can stop stirring when you see the batter is sticking to the spoon. Cover it with the aluminium foil or lid. Steam it for 35 to 40 minutes. When the skewer inserted comes out clean means you can switch off the flame. This is dragon fruit flower from our terrace garden and we are eagerly waiting for the fruit. I checked the Kinnathappam after 30 minutes of steaming by inserting a skewer. So again I steamed it for 10 minutes. Cool the Kinnathappam for 1 hour so that you will be able to make slices. Always cover the Kinnathappam with an aluminium foil while steaming, or else you will find a layer of water on top of it. The Kinnathappam has cooled in perfectly. Look at the texture of the Kinnathappam friends. This is so soft and jiggly. Kinnathappam is so soft and looks like jelly. It just melts in your mouth and super delicious. Look how jiggly the Kinnathappam has turned out. Do try this super soft Kinnathappam and share me the feedback. I used to normally make Kinnathappam in small bowls as well. You can add jeera while steaming. This also gives really good taste. I made this on the other day and thought of sharing it. Well, Kinnathappam should be eaten on the same day or else store it in refrigerator. If you try this recipe, do not forget to share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.